Not all printers are built the same. Some are there to just, well, print your stuff. Heck, some aren't even colored. It works if you just need to submit your research paper or print your homework. But from my experience with older printers, they're quite a bit of a hassle to use. More often than not, they have to plug them directly to your computer or laptop via a USB cable. And if your documents are on your phone, you'll have to transfer them first to your computer or laptop before you can even print them. Hassle, since everything's wireless these days, and chances are you're on your phone as more often than not. Worse yet, if your printer is a bit dated, they tend to jam or they don't print well, resulting in smudges, and you just get stressed trying to print 1 to 2 pages of a document.
Why does it say paper jam when there is no paper jam?
Chances are, because of this, you're also wasting time just to get a document printed. But today, printers do more than just print. Depending on the model, you can also get them to scan documents, photocopy, and more. At the same time, you wouldn't trust an old rundown printer for essential documents such as legal forms, contracts, or even a visa application, right? Well, today we have some good news. What's up guys, Jose here from Yugatech, and in this video we'll be talking about the big difference you'll experience when using a modern printer, specifically the HP Tank series, like we have right here. As I mentioned earlier, the modern printer does more than just print your documents from your PC or laptop. The HP SmartTank series, like the HP SmartTank 750 we have here, which we will be using for our office, can help make your life easier. Whether you're going to use it for your business or just at home, setting it up is very easy. It took me only around 10 minutes to completely set it up for our use at the office. Concerned about ink dripping even before you set the printer up? Don't worry, the HP SmartTank series comes with these spill-free bottles. No more replacing cartridges like you used to. It works the same way when you do need to refill the ink in the future. Best of all, you don't even have to worry about wires. Well, except the power cables. That's because this printer can connect to your Wi-Fi system, making your life so much easier. Although there is a LAN port and a USB-B port at the back, and there's also a USB-B to USB-A port included for those who like to keep it a bit old school. In addition, anyone can now print their documents easily without having to physically plug their laptop or computer into the HP SmartTank 750. For those of us here in the rush, they don't even need to use a laptop or one of the desktops at the office. Instead, we've downloaded the HP Smart app and connected the printer to it, both on our phones and laptops. This means everyone can print their files directly from their phones or tablets. They don't even have to be at the office to print documents, our scripts, and other files. So even if Boss Abe is in another country or in his house relaxing, he can send contracts to be printed for signing. What's even cooler about the HP Smart app is that it's not just for printing. It can even scan documents and convert them to PDF or Word files ready to be printed immediately. Now to do this, you just have to lay out your document, use the app to scan, and you're done. It works for single files, books, or even images that you already have stored on your phone. There are a bunch more features available in the HP Smart app, including customizable personal styles and shortcuts. This will allow you to have a more enjoyable experience when using the app, and as well as improving your workflow. Because of the HP Smart app and the new HP SmartTank 750 we have right here, our workflow in the office has become a lot smoother. Best of all, the HP Smart app can even access documents from Dropbox and Google Drive, both of which are very essential for our workflow here at Yugatech. Since we do print a lot of documents, whether these are scripts, contracts, well, some of which we can't show you for obvious reasons, this HP SmartTank series printer will be used very often. Thankfully, we don't have to worry about the quality going down or refilling the ink anytime soon. According to HP, we can print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages with the original HP ink included in the box. With that, our company saves a lot more money in terms of printing expense since ink is quite expensive. Hopefully, because of this, we'll also be able to get a raise much faster. Now, you're probably wondering about the quality of the prints. As you can see, the printouts look great. Black ink on paper tends to smudge, especially if they're fresh out of the printer. But that doesn't happen when you're using one of these newer HP printers. Perfect for guys like me who tend to have sweaty hands, so even if I pick it up, there's no smudge. It's also great if the print document accidentally gets wet since it will not smudge either. As a result, there's less waste and a lot better for the environment. If we do encounter any issues with our printer, the HP SmartTank 750 along with the HP SmartTank series comes with 2-year on-site warranty. Contacting HP customer support is easy and they can send a technician to our location. We can either call the hotline or visit support.hp.com. There's even a virtual assistant that we can chat with on the HP Smart app to help diagnose these issues. Should the print heads of our printer become clogged or break, we can replace them ourselves, and it's a relatively easy process to do. For those of you that are still holding on to your old printers, specifically for HP, they also sell ink cartridge printers. You should be able to do it. I was able to do it. Considering how helpful the HP SmartTank printer has been for us here at the office, I'm sure you guys will benefit from it too. So to the people watching this video who are still using an older printer with cartridge-style ink and requires a cabled connection, take this as a sign to upgrade to a newer model like the HP SmartTank 750 we have right here. Whether it's for your house, business, or any other reason, it will definitely make your life so much easier. Printing before was a hassle, but it really shouldn't be. What do you think of the HP SmartTank 750 printer and the HP Smart app? Would you make the switch anytime soon? If you're interested, the HP SmartTank series printer are available on Shopee and Lazada. Now, if you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more. Also click that bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.